Today, we'll show you how to properly install the Viridian RFX44 and RFX45 reflex sights onto your handgun. In the box, you'll receive one RFX optic, a set of mounting screws and an adjustment wrench, a CR2032 battery, a mounting plate based on the model you selected, a lens cloth, and a quick start guide. The first thing we do is make sure the firearm is unloaded and safe. Lock the slide to the rear and visually confirm the chamber and barrel are clear. Remove the magazine and keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction. Start by removing the cover plate from the back of your slide. Use the provided tool to unscrew and lift off the plate, then set it aside. Next, check the mounting area to make sure it matches the included plates. The RFX44 and 45 come with several mounting options. Based on the model you selected, your kit will include the appropriate low mount, high mount, or footprint adapter plate. Once selected, install the mounting plate onto the slide using the appropriate screws. Make sure it's seated evenly and fully tightened before moving on to mounting the optic. Do not over-torque the screws past 10 inch-pounds. Before mounting the optic, install the battery. Both the RFX44 and 45 use a top-mounted battery compartment. Use the included wrench to remove the large screw cover on top of the optic. Place the provided battery inside the compartment with the positive side facing up. Once the battery is seated flat, reinstall the screw cover. Tighten it to 7 to 8 inch-pounds using the provided tool. Now we're ready to mount the optic. With the plate secured, hook one side of the optic's mounting rail onto the edge of the plate. Then roll the optic over until the opposite side locks into place. Use the included wrench to tighten the side-mounted screw. This draws the optic tight to the rail. Torque to 14 to 16 inch-pounds. To power on the device, hold the up arrow button for 2 seconds. Tap the up arrow button to increase the brightness. Tap the down arrow button to decrease the brightness. You can power off the device by holding the down arrow button for 2 seconds. To zero the optic, use the included tool to adjust windage and elevation. Turn the windage screw clockwise to move the point of impact to the left, or counterclockwise to move it to the right. Turn the elevation screw clockwise to lower the point of impact, or counterclockwise to raise it. The arrows on the RFX show the direction you want the bullet to travel, not the movement of the dot. Now with your RFX44 or 45 installed, powered up, and zeroed, you're ready to hit the range or carry with confidence. If you have any questions, give us a call at 763-479-4091 or email us at info@viridian.tech.